Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more interesting tips and tricks related on Denmark public transportation. If you're living in Denmark or you want to travel Denmark, especially on Copenhagen, so this video is very important for you. Denmark are introducing all-in-one public transportation application. That application name is Rejsebillet. In this video, we will see how to download this application, register this application, and what is the new features. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start demonstration. My screen is here. First of all, you need to download this application. Open the application store, App Store or Google Play Store and search here Rejsebillet. The application is coming here. Using this application, you can purchase the ticket, travel, tram, bus, even the plane as well. The application size is very small. After download, you just simply open and enter here your mobile number. No matter which country you are living, accordingly you should put it here. Select your country and then put it the number. I just simply put it here, my number, and afterward continue. Here you need to put it your date of birth, my date of birth, and then next. So look at this here, the public transportation point of view. Choose your traffic company. So I go with DSB because a DSB is a local company here. I'll say metro as well. Apart from that, here Fune bus. I just simply turn it off, this one, exit and continue. One of the important point come here, allow while using. If you come here in Copenhagen in Denmark airport, so automatically location is tracked, and apart from that where you won't go, so I just simply type here Copenhagen from my location to this particular location and then continue. And here the different option I have, look at this here. First option is I can take 200 as bus, then select as train. If I go with this, select this one. So look at this here, bicycle metro ticket. If I want purchase bicycle ticket as well, so you need to pay this one. So my ticket price is a 30 Danish krona. I use two types of public transport. First one is a bus and second one is a S train, and the ticket validity is 1 hour and 30 minutes, means 90 minutes. That one is really nice. Apart from that, I will show you one of the interesting other tickets here. The other tickets, if you select here special ticket, so look at this here, special ticket categories. 1 day metro ticket is unlimited. You should purchase 50 Danish krona and use multiple times of metro. If you traveling here, so metro are traveling entire the Copenhagen, you should purchase 50 krona and access all day metro and complete your tourist attraction. Second thing is Sunday ticket for the metro Copenhagen. That one is really amazing. 10 krona for 1 hour metro ticket. Here the option 1 day metro ticket, zone wise available here. 1 day is a different types of ticket, like you can use ultimate travel bus Odense, just only 75 Danish krona, and use third largest city based on Denmark. Entire day ticket is a 75 Danish krona. Here different ticket is also available. You can install this application accordingly, visit this one. Apart from that, here the zone wise ticket is also available and ticket prices is here. You can scan your ticket here, the payment card. How you purchase this ticket, you should add here your card. No matter your card is based on Danish or other EU country or Asian country, like in India, you should add it here. Automatically payment is detect. Purchase history is showing here. Renew agreement is also showing here. Apart from that, you should update your information here. Put it here, first name, last name, email address and birth date. So you can receive the tickets on your email address or mobile number. Select the language, English and Danish. This time it's very important, they are introducing in English language also. Commuter card, travel free area at least 30 days. So commuter card is also available. If I select here, so I need to pay here 690 Danish krona. I can use this card for 3 zone an entire month. You should download this application, and after that you should decide which public transportation ticket you want purchase, day wise, week wise or monthly wise. And this application is really nice compared to previous version. If you have any question regarding this application, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.